If you go to take a selfie, but the front camera or selfie camera on your iPhone is blurry, no matter what you do, I'm going to show you some steps to definitely get that fixed. Now, let's first just open up your camera. So swipe down from the top right, and I'm just going to tap on camera here. You can access it however you want. Now let's switch over to the selfie camera here. So you can see the selfie camera looks good in my case. I'm crisp and clear, especially if you have a newer iPhone, an iPhone 16, an iPhone 15, it should be crisp and clear on your face. Now, the first thing you can do is check to make sure it's not automatically focusing on the wrong thing. This sounds simple, but sometimes if I, for instance, tap on the bookshelf behind me, then it will focus on that. Or if I, for instance, tap on the ground behind me, it will focus on that and I'll be a bit blurry. So you might want to tap on the specific subject that you want it to focus on. That's the first thing we can do. But the second thing that we can do is check to see, again, this is simple, but a lot of times people have screen protectors on their phone and it can get smudged up and cause issues with that camera. So I would recommend taking the screen protector off and getting a cloth or a shirt or something and cleaning the very top of your iPhone as best as you can. If either of those don't fix it, then let's head into your settings. So open up the settings. Let me go back here. On your iPhone, once you have the settings open, we're going to go to the camera settings. So scroll down and tap on camera here. Now we're going to do a few different things on here. The first thing we're going to do is tap on preserve settings. Midway down, once you find that, just tap on it. We want to turn everything off. So we don't want to preserve any previous settings. We want every time you open up the camera app, it to be as fresh as possible. It will basically bring all of those settings back to just the default. Now, the next thing we will do is we'll go back out of here and we're going to toggle a few things on and off and then open up the camera to see if that helps. The first one is mirror front camera. Let's turn that off, or if it's on, turn it off. If it's off, turn it on. And then we're also going to go down here and turn off lens correction and macro control. Sometimes those can cause issues with the focusing or the autofocus of your front camera. So after you've done that, let's swipe down again and turn the camera on and turn it on to selfie and see if it is better at that point. If it's still not better, the next thing we can do is go back into your settings and we're going to go back to the beginning of your settings. So go to the very beginning and you can see towards the bottom is general. Just tap on the general option and then software update. Just go through the process of updating your software to the latest version. This sounds simple, but a lot of times bugs and glitches on your iPhone are just fixed through a software update. So update it to the latest version. And after you've done that, let's go back out of here. If that still doesn't fix it, scroll to the very bottom, hit the transfer or reset iPhone here. And then you'll be able to see at the very bottom is reset on your phone. Just tap on reset and you'll see reset all settings at the very top. Just tap on that. Go through the process of entering your passcode and hitting the reset all settings. This will bring all of the settings, including all of your camera settings, back to the factory default. At that point, you should be able to open up the camera and it should work. If it doesn't, there's a physical issue with the camera itself. You need to take it into an Apple store, have them plug it in, run some diagnostics, and see what the issue is.